How to reset iPhone game data. Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'll be showing you the ways on how to reset iPhone game data. A common problem among iPhone users is that after they delete a game and re-download it, the game still continues where they left off instead of starting from the beginning. Here are 3 methods on how to reset iPhone game data. The first one is really easy. Open Settings and select General. Now click on iPhone Storage. On this page, you should see all the applications installed on your iPhone. And just find the game that you would like to delete. As for me, I think I want to delete Mario Run. So let's go look for it. And there you go. Just select the application. And as you can see, you have 2 options on this page. You can either offload the app or you can also delete the app. Select Delete App. This will delete the app and all of the related data to it. So it means that when you re-download the game, you're going to have to start over. After successfully deleting the application, it should now be removed from your home screen and you can now re-download the app. Now let me show you another way how to easily do that. You can just go back to your home screen, long press a game such as this one, and just select Delete App. Confirm you want to delete this, and there you have it. That application is gone as well. The next one is only available in some games, and it requires some navigation. But it's worth a try, especially if you don't really want to delete the application. So all we have to do is open the app, and then find Settings. The Settings or gear icon is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. But before that, notice how I am now on level 7 on this game. After clicking the Settings button, it gives me the option to restart the game. And I am now back to level 1. Remember that this is not the same for all. Your options may differ from mine. But I have another method for you. You can try deleting your game data from your iCloud account. To delete game data from your iCloud account, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the page. Then select iCloud. From here, you should see Manage Account Storage. Select Manage Account Storage, and you should see all the applications using your iCloud. If the game you want to reset is using iCloud, you should see it here. Let's pretend Clips is the game that you would like to reset. Just tap on Clips, and you should see an option that says Delete Documents and Data. Just tap on Delete Documents and Data, and after deleting the game data, go to the App Store and re-download the application. When you open it, the game should have no memory of your past game progress. And those are the 3 methods you can try in resetting iPhone game data. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comment, like this video, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time!